Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 1 language arts. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then, you have to select language arts from the subject tab. Scroll to grade 1. Then, click on View All Lessons. So, there you can find a list of the chapters. So, we're going to start with the chapter adjectives that compare. And the lessons we're going to cover today are compare picture using comparative and superlative adjectives, identify comparative and superlative adjectives, and does the adjective compare to or more than two. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, here I am on the chapter grade 1 language arts. The chapter name is adjectives that compare, and we're going to start with the first lesson, that is compare pictures using comparative and superlative adjectives. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, some adjective compare people, animal, place, or things. Comparative adjective compare two people, animal, place, or things. They end in er. Like if you're just comparing two of the people's, place, or things, you have to just add er. Like Andy is taller than his sister. So that is a comparison between Andy and her sister. Got it? Between two people's. So you have to add er. Got it? Superlative adjectives compare more than two people, animal, place, or things. They end in est. Got it? Now you have to compare more than two people. So like the example, he is the tallest person in his class. So in his class there are more than two students. Got it? So the comparison is between more than two people. So two persons, so it would be he is the tallest person in class. Got it? So keep these very important points in your mind. If the comparison is between just between two people's, two persons, places, or things, you have to add er. Got it? And with the er to the adjective. And if the comparison is between more than two people, you have to add est. Got it? Let's just start with the examples. Okay, which one is smaller? You are given two of the vehicles. You need to see which one is smaller. The car is smaller. Got it? One of the this one is smaller. Got it? Okay, which one is fatter? Okay, so which one is fatter? The first one is fatter. Got it? Which one is louder, the lion or the cat? Which is louder? Lion is the louder one. Got it? Which one is smaller? comparing pictures is very easy, correct? Because we can see the smaller thing. This one is smaller, got it? Which animal is faster? Sheep is faster or turtle is faster? Which is faster? Yes, the turtle is, no, the sheep is faster, got it? Okay, which man is faster? The one on the cycle or the one who is walking? Obviously, the one on the cycle is faster, got it? So option number one is the correct option. Okay, which one is warmer, the first one or the second one? The first one is warmer. Okay, which one is higher? Which balloon is higher? Yes, the first one is higher. Which one is bigger, the first one or the second one? Yes, the second one is bigger, the first one is smaller. Which one is hotter, the first one or the second one? The first one is hotter. Which one is fatter, the first one or the second one? Which is fatter? Yes, the first one is fatter. Which is older, the first one or the second one? Obviously, the second one is older. Got it? The first one is the new one. Which one is lighter? So, which is lighter? The second one. Got it? Okay, which one is shorter, the first one or the second one? The first one is shorter than second one. Got it? Which one is lighter? So, which is lighter? Yes, the first one is lighter. Which man is deeper, the first one or the second one? Yes, the second one is deeper. Which animal is softer? The second one is softer. Which one is darker, the first one or the second one? The second one is darker, the first one is the lighter one. Which person is older, the first one or the second one? first one is older. Which one is longer, the first one or the second one? Obviously, the first one is longer. Got it? Okay, we are done with the test. Let's just move on to the next lesson. The next one is identify comparative and superlative adjective. Now we're going to identify them. Got it? The way it is very easy to identify them. If you have an er with the adjective, that means that one with is the comparative one. Got it? If you have est, that means it is the if you have est, I forgot the name, it would be the superlative. Got it? Comparative adjective compare two people, place, animals or things. They end in er. So if it is ending with er, that means it is the comparative adjective. Got it? Then superlative adjectives compare more than two people, place, animals, places or things. They end in est. So if it is ending in est, that means it is the superlative adjective. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay. Find the adjective that compares. Snowy is the whitest goat of all. You have to identify the word that is the adjective. Got it? So which one is the adjective? Whitest or goat? The adjective is whitest. Got it? You are comparing all the goats on the basis of their color. So whitest is the word that is the you have you can see if the word has er or est, that would be the adjective. So whitest is the adjective because it ends with est. Got it? Okay, Gabby's homework has harder than Beth's homework. So which word is find the adjective that compares homework or harder, which is the correct option? The correct option is harder. Got it? You have it ending with er, so that is the adjective that compares. Got it? Harder is the adjective. Okay, find the adjective that compares. This is the highest hill in Auckland. So which is the adjective that compares highest or Auckland? Highest, it is ending with est, so that is the adjective that compares. Got it? The correct option is option number 1. Okay, find the adjective that compares. Blue Point is nicer than Lakewood. So which word is the adjective that compares? Blue Point or nicer? You just have to look for the word that is either ending with er or either est. So the word that ends with er or est are the adjectives that compare. So here the word is nicer, the one that is ending with er. Got it? So that would be the adjective that compares. Got it? Find the adjective that compares. An ant is lighter than a bee. So which is the correct option? Lighter. Got it? It is ending with er, so that is the adjective that compares. Lighter. So the correct option is option number 1 because it is ending with er. Got it? Leo was the biggest lion of all. So which is the adjective? The one that is ending with est. Got it? Biggest is the correct option. Either it ends with es or either est or either with er. Got it? So if the word is ending with er or est, that means that is the adjective. Find the adjective that compares. Pete's story was sadder than Janet's story. So which is the correct option? Story or sadder? Which is the correct option? The correct option is sadder. Got it? Sadder is a word that compares. Adjective that compares. Today is the hottest day so far. So which is the correct option? Saddest is the correct option. Got it? Because it is ending with hottest. Sorry. Today is the hottest day so far. So hottest is the correct option. Got it? Because it is ending with est. So the correct option is hottest. Pat is the sweetest boy I know. So which is the correct option? So the correct option is sweetest. Got it? est because it is ending with est. So it is the correct option, that is sweetest. Okay, the next one is Luke's boat is newer than Andy's. So which is the correct option? Newer is the correct option. Got it? The correct option is newer. Boat is not the adjective. Newer is the adjective because it is ending with er. The shoes are wetter than your shoes are wetter than mine. So which is the correct option? The correct option is wetter. It is ending with er. So the correct option is wetter. Find the adjective that compares. Mr. Lane is older than Mrs. Lane. So which is the correct option? Which is the adjective? Older or than? The correct option is yes, very good. It is older. The one that is ending with er then is not the adjective. Older is the adjective. Find the adjective that compares. That's the flattest spot in the park. So which is the correct option? Flattest is the correct option. Got it? That is ending with est. So flattest is the correct option. These are darker than yours. So which is the correct option? Darker is the correct option. Got it? The one that is ending with er is the correct option. Got it? So darker is the correct option. That's the shortest story in the book. So which is the correct option? So the correct option is shortest is the correct option. Got it? Because it is ending with est. Story is not the adjective. Shortest is the adjective. Canada is colder than Mexico. So which is the correct option? Canada or colder? Colder is the correct option. Got it? Canada is not the adjective. Colder is the adjective. Find the adjective that compares. Grandpa is the oldest man we know. So which is the correct option? The correct option is oldest. Got it? The one that is ending with est is the correct option. So it is the oldest. Grandpa is the oldest man we know. So the adjective is oldest. Find the adjective that compares. Ross is the tallest man in Oak Grove. So which is the correct option? Man, tallest. The correct option is tallest. Oxford is the nicest town of all. The correct option is nicest. Got it? The one that is ending with est. So nicest is the correct option. Your cake is sweeter than Abby's. So which is the correct option? Cake or sweeter? The correct option is sweeter. Got it? Okay, we're done with the test. Let's just start with the next lesson. The next lesson is, does the adjective compare to or more than to? So you have to now see if the given adjective is compares between two or more thing. Comparative adjective compare two or more thing. If it is ending with er, that means that is a comparison between two persons, people's, place, or thing. If it is ending with est, that means that is a comparison between more than two person, place, animals, or things. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, look at the adjective in bold. Does it compare two pools or more than two pools? So the sentence is, our pool is warmer than Dana's pool. So which is the correct option? Two pools or more than two pools? Which is the correct option? It is ending with er. Got it? Warmer. So er is the comparison between two persons, places, or things. Got it? Whenever you have an er with adjective, that means that is a comparison between two person, places, or things. So that would be the comparison between two pools. Got it? So the correct option is two pools. Okay, the kitten is softer than the cat. So is it a comparison between two animals or more than two animals? Softer, you have just an er. Got it? Whenever you have an er with the adjective, that means that is the comparison between two things. Got it? So that would be two animals. That is a comparison between kitten and cat. So the correct option is two animals. Luke's house is colder than my house. So which is the correct option? Is it a comparison between two houses or more than two? Colder. Again, you have an er with the adjective. Got it? If you have an er with the adjective, that means that is the comparison between two places, two animals, place, or things. Got it? So colder is you have an er. Got it? That means that is a comparison between two houses. Got it? So the correct option is two houses. The blue train is faster than the red train. So which is the correct option? The blue train is faster than the red train. Faster, you have an ER. Got it? Whenever you have an ER, that means that is a comparison between two places, animals, or things. So that would be two trains. Got it? The old rope is shorter than the new rope. So again, you have shorter. You have an ER with the adjective. Got it? So if you have an ER with the adjective, that means that is a comparison between two places or things. Got it? So it would be two ropes. Okay, Dusty is the fastest pony of them all. So you have fastest EST. Got it? When you have an EST with the adjective, that means that is the comparison between more than two ponies. Got it? So the correct option is more than two ponies. Ruby is the oldest cow of all. You can see the word all. The all means they are more than two. Got it? So the correct option is more than two cows. Okay, your song is sadder than Rose song. So which is the correct option? Sadder, you have an ER with the adjective. Got it? You have an ER, that means that is the comparison between two songs. Got it? If you have an ER, that is the comparison between just two things. Phil's pig is fatter than Deb's pig. So which is the correct option? You have an ER. Got it? That is a comparison between two person, places, or things. So it would be two pigs. The comparison is between two pigs. The red apple is sweeter than the green apple. So which is the correct option? Sweeter, you have an ER with the adjective. Got it? So it is sweeter. The correct option is two apples. The my balloon is bigger than your balloon. So which is the correct option? Bigger, you have an ER, got it? If you have an ER with the adjective, that is a comparison between just two things, got it? So the correct option is two balloons. This pan is the hottest one of all. So which is the correct option? Hottest. You have an EST and the word all. That means that is a comparison between more than two pans. Got it? The correct option is more than two pans. Tina is older than Justin. So which is the correct option? Older. You have an ER. Got it? That means just that is a comparison between just two people. My dad is older than your dad. Older. ER. That means that is a comparison between, whenever you have an ER with the adjective, that would be the comparison between just two things. Got it? So it would be two dads. That is a comparison between my and your dad. Got it? So just two dads. Robin's nap was longer than Liz's naps. So which is the correct option? Longer. You have an ER. Got it? Whenever you have an ER, that means that is a comparison between just two things. Got it? So it would be comparison between two naps. Buster is the softest rabbit of them all. Softest, you have an EST. Got it? So and that is a comparison between more than two rabbits. Got it? So it would be more than two rabbits. Green Hill is higher than Squirrel Hill. So which is the correct option? Higher, you have an ER. Got it? That means that is a comparison between two hills. Got it? So the correct option is two hills. This is the greatest story of all. Greatest, you have an EST with the adjective. Got it? That means that is the comparison between more than two things. Whenever you have an EST, that is the comparison between more than two stories. Mac's yard is flatter than Gabby's yard. So which is the correct option? Fatter, you have an ER with the adjective. So whenever you have an ER, that is the comparison between just two yards. Cow Hill is the highest of all. Highest EST, whenever you have an EST, that means the comparison is between more than two hills. Got it? So the correct option is more than two hills. Okay, we are done with the lesson. So we were working on grade 1 language arts. The chapter we were working on is adjectives that compare, and the lessons we have covered today are compare pictures using comparative and superlative adjectives, identify comparative and superlative adjectives. Does the adjective compare to or more than to? So we have already completed all the test questions, but you can review the lessons again and you can do the tests again so that you can be perfect with the adjectives. Got it? Please, if you need more help with any of the lesson while doing the test, you can contact and you on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. Please click on the like button right below the video. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.